This is what $2,000 gets you in LA. This is my apartment, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, the first day that I moved in. So this is an empty apartment tour, and after these clips, I'll show you how it is now that I have finally decorated it. Okay, so starting off with the kitchen, I absolutely fell in love with the kitchen. That's what sold me on this place, because I love to cook, and I do share a lot of the stuff that I cook on my Instagram, a shameless plug, but I do, and these are some of my favorites. And I love the layout. It's small, but gets the job done, you know? Most, if not all, the stuff that you see in this kitchen, in my house in general, is from Amazon, and I did organize it in my Amazon storefront by the room, so you can check the kitchen and see most, if not all, the stuff that I bought. And this is my pantry. I keep all of my snacks, healthy vitamins in there. My freezer and my fridge, which is pretty empty at the moment. I need to go to the grocery store to get stock up, but that's what it is. That's the reality of it right now. Then from the kitchen, you will see my office glam room area. I don't have a closet in this apartment because they did turn that into a laundry room, so I bought 2 racks, put all my clothes in there, and organized it the best that I could. It's not perfect, but it works for now. Then I have my sauna area that I detox in, and my beauty space where I have all my makeup and my office. Then it goes into the bedroom. This is my bed. I had this once in my last place. I got this really cute Nook shelf that fit my TV, and it worked out. But you should see this place at night. I set the mood, turn on my little skylight, and relax. If anything, I love my nighttime routine at my house. It is very relaxing, very moody, very chill, and it helps me just decompress from the day. So this is my favorite part of the house at night. My bedroom is chef's kiss. So back into my room. So you'll see the laundry is on the right side of my bedroom, where I'm assuming the closet was, but I like it nonetheless. This is another thing that I looked for in an apartment, that it had a washer dryer. This one did, and it was perfect. I use this as a storage room and a cleaning supply room, and it works. Then right next to that is the bathroom. The bathroom is beautiful. The tiles are very cohesive with the kitchen, so it ties in beautifully. And the bathroom isn't the biggest, but it is bigger than my last bathroom, and I love the rain shower that it has and how spacious it is. You will see that the decor in my bathroom is very minimal. I would say it's very minimal in a lot of areas of my place, but I just don't like clutter. And the only thing I have up here is my oil diffuser and my Oreo cookies and cream, I think, candle that is beautiful. It gives the little vanilla-y scent to my bathroom. And that was my apartment tour. Thank you for watching.